Sam Thomas here with Providence Group Realty, and welcome to our latest listing in Flower Mound, Texas. This one has 4 bedrooms, 3-car garage, and over 3,000 square feet. This is going to be a great opportunity for the right family. Let's go inside and take a look. This spacious and well-maintained home in Stone Hill Farms feeds into the highly rated Lewisville ISD. The home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a 3-car garage, with over 3,012 square feet of well-appointed space. The first floor features a formal living and dining with pocket doors for added privacy and offers multi-purpose space for all. The main living area is light and bright with ample windows, built-in shelving, and a cast stone gas fireplace. The living room is open to the eat-in kitchen with newly installed quartz countertops, undermount single sink, and gas range. The first floor has a large master bedroom with a private ensuite which offers double sinks, a large tub, and a spacious master closet. The upstairs boasts 3 ample-sized bedrooms perfect for children or guests, and a large separate game room with French doors for added noise control and privacy. Another great amenity of this location is the additional playground and swimming pool in the subdivision. The backyard covered patio is great for grilling, entertaining, and plenty of yard space for all. Hey, so one of the things I love about this home is how well maintained it is, as well as this amazing backyard that you're going to see. It is a great opportunity for people to entertain and grill out and just have fun with friends and family as well. So hey, contact your real estate agent today to see it, or you can contact us directly at our contact information below. All right, have a great day.